Welcome to growing your own food in your own backyard. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the like button. This video is about winter seed sowing outdoor in Colorado. This will be my first time trying the winter sowing method. Winter sowing is an outdoor method of seed germination which requires just two things: recycled water jug, recycled milk jugs, to create a miniature greenhouse. Here's one that I've already started. This method was invented by Trudi Davidoff. This method does allow Mother Nature to be at work with cycles of freezing and thawing to loosen seed coats and prepare seeds to germinate. The seed toughens up upon the arrival of spring. The seeds will emerge in its own time when conditions are perfect for it to start emerging above ground. This month I am starting with seeds that require cold stratification. So as you can see, this particular jug, I've got nectarine seeds that was store-bought from California, but I also have seeds, a peach seed that was grown locally organically, and my cold crops vegetables. For example, this one I already started. It's a baby green spinach. And I'm also going to be doing red Russian kale, beets, and cherry bell radishes. In February and March, I'm going to set out my jugs for the zinnias, marigolds, carrots, and oregano. So I'm really excited about this project. This is an opportunity to learn a new method about seed stratification. Now for my, this is an opportunity to learn a new method about winter seed sowing. For my heat-loving vegetables, I will set out my jugs in April. I'm also doing the grow light systems for the tropical plant seeds and regrowing vegetables, and I'm going to do a video on that, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to start sowing my seeds. Well, I should say I'm going to start sowing my beet seeds. So I have this container. I've already cut it all the way around, and I just left it attached near the handle. I have marked this jug beets, and it's a Detroit dark red beets, and I have my finished compost that's been cured, and I'm going to go ahead and fill this bottom part with my compost. Compost really looks nice, dark and rich. This was my compost from the summertime and has been curing all winter. Okay, so I've already filled this jug with my compost. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my seeds and I'm going to start sowing. Then I'm going to add another layer of soil on top. Then let me go get my water jug to water the soil. I got my water jug, my water bottle, so I'm going to go ahead and water my container really good. Make sure I saturate it with water. Okay, and I make sure I have my label in, so I'm just going to put that on the side. Now I'm going to use this tape. It's a pretty strong tape. It's been recommended to use this kind of tape, and I'm just going to go ahead and tear this off. And I'm going to tape around the jug. It appears that this masking tape is pretty much the recommended tape for this project. So I've got this taped around there real good. I think maybe I need to put another tape around the side. Okay. So I've completed my winter sowing in this water jug, and I sowed beets. So this is complete. So I'm going to start with the other jugs. I just moved my jugs to the sunniest part of my yard. So this is my flower bed that I laid down wood chips yesterday, and I'm putting the jugs here so that it can get a lot of sunshine. And I am excited about this first attempt, and I'm going to monitor it, and I'll keep you updated on how things are progressing. In the meantime, I will be doing more of this for February and March for those seeds that are more warm seasoning type of plants. So just wanted to let you know about my progress, and I'm excited about seeing the outcome of this winter seed sowing. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button.